This video will describe the overvalued non-dividend stocks page. In the Simply Investing platform, there are 5 types of subscriptions available to you. This video will use the US and Canadian account to demonstrate the overvalued non-dividend stocks page. This table contains non-dividend stocks which are trading at historically high prices, in other words, overvalued, because their current PE ratio is greater than or equal to their average 20-year PE ratio. By default, stocks are ordered from highest SI criteria to the lowest. There are 2 main benefits of the overvalued table. The overvalued table provides you with a list of stocks to avoid if you are considering investing in them. You should never invest in stocks that are priced high or overvalued. If you already own stocks that are in the overvalued table, then have a look at the FAQ section, question 2-3, before you make any sell decisions. With this account, you can select between viewing US stocks or Canadian stocks in the table. If you purchase the individual country subscription, then you will only have access to one country. On any stock table on this site, you can always click on a company name to see the company's stock data page. On that page, you will find more details about the stock, a company description, see the stock graph, and view the company's historical data. The question marks located here will show you the rule definition for each of the SI criteria. And any value that fails a rule will be shown in bold, and its cell will also be highlighted. The Simply Investing platform provides you with the ability to customize exactly how you would like to see the data. You can hide any column by clicking on the red X located here. You can sort columns from high to low or from low to high by clicking on the arrow located here. You can also drag and drop columns into different locations. To make more room on the screen, you can also minimize the side menu by clicking here, and you can collapse the description box by clicking here. By default, this table is only showing 15 columns. However, you can click on filters to display and filter on more than 120 different columns. And you can filter even further on each individual column. You can also save your favorite filters and table views for later use. Any changes you make here are only applied to the current table. You can always click here on Restore Default View to restore the table back to its default view. Click here to view the 12 rules of Simply Investing and the SI criteria. For more questions and answers, have a look at the FAQ section located here.